Hi guys, my name is Ivani Malaysia and I'm here to talk you through my first stream of income in how I make money online. Just a little disclaimer before you start this video. I want to say I only work with the willing and I only work with serious people. So if you're someone that you're not going to take this journey seriously, please do not continue this video. If you don't know me already, I also recommend for you to go and watch my story and my journey highlight. And before anything, I want to congratulate you for actually taking a leap of faith and starting this journey that will change your whole life. I'm one of the co-leaders and affiliate coaches within Infinity. So we have three aims in here. The first aim is to teach you about financial literacy. The second aim is to teach you about financial diversification and how to build multiple streams of income. And the third aim is for you to learn how to utilize the trading market. The most important thing for you to learn is to know what is trading. Currencies being used all around the world. For example, Canadian dollar, American dollar, euro, Japanese yen, pound, and you make money in these markets through the movements of the market. Whether the market is going up, whether the market is going down, you can buy or sell these currencies. Imagine if you go to a very nice holiday to Portugal, for example, they use euros in Portugal, and here in the UK we use pound. If you take about £100 to Portugal, that will give you around 120, 125 euros, and that's the kind of money and profits that you're looking to make exactly the same but digitally with the markets through your phone. You have direct contact with all of the financial markets: Forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, indices, and binary options. I speak to so many people every single day, and when it comes to trading, there's always two types of people. The people that are trying to be smart and learn it off YouTube and blow multiple figures just by learning with YouTube and the internet. And there's the second people which actually value being inside of the community. They value using service they can leverage, and they value the concept of mentorship and coaching around trading. If you really try and fast track your results and be in the right place and getting the right information, mentorship is the right thing for you. For example, if you're trying to learn how to swim, you're not going to go and throw yourself in the deep end. You're going to go and find a coach and find a swimmer, a professional swimmer that can teach you how to do that. And this is why Infinity has partnered up with EA, which is a debt-free privately owned company. We're working around 160 plus countries already. In EA, we have professional institutional traders. We have AI algorithms and software that specialize in AI and institutional trading. These have been used and tested by major banks and other 6, 7, 8 figure companies that have been using to help other people to make money in the financial trading markets. Your first trading direction are the elite trading services. You get everything that has to do with Forex and stocks. With Elite, you get ECA, Solex, and Manara. ECA is your Forex and Stocks Academy, where you're going to find 100 plus videos that you can connect to from beginners, intermediate, and advanced videos. All of those lessons that will be happening from Monday to Friday get recorded so you can watch it at your own time. Solex is an app that you can download from the App Store or Google Play Store, where you get signals from your phone, just like a signal notification, but with the difference that this message will make you money, because these will be the professional traders where you find on ECA sending you signals on the daily basis for you to connect in, copy and paste the signals, and make your profit. Manara is an artificial intelligence robot that works 24/7 for you, scans the market for you in harmonic patterns, and sends you signals every 20 to 40 minutes for you to copy and paste those signals. This Manara AI is not only good for beginners, also for people that are already into trading and want to get more confirmations in the market. Then we have our Elite Pro direction for those who are looking for residual passive income. These are for individuals that are looking to do trading for free hand. We have Achilles and Athena's with a minimum deposit of $1,000 where it trades for you. So the difference between Achilles and Athena with Manara is that Achilles and Athena, they trade for you. Instead of you copy and pasting numbers, Achilles and Athena's is going to be placing the trade for you. All you have to do is connect these AI robots to your MetaTrader 4 and your MetaTrader 5, and you're good to go. You are able to keep 100% of your profits at all times. It's very safe and secure. You can deposit and withdraw whatever money do you want to when you want to. It's very low risk and is looking to give you 5 to 10% growth every single month. Our second direction are the DeFi trading services. These are for my crypto lovers and people that want to get into cryptocurrencies. If you don't remember, just recall what happened with Bitcoin in 2012 when it came out. Right now, where Bitcoin is at 60,000K. In DeFiverse, you get different metaverse opportunities. You get also trade ideas in the cryptocurrencies. You also get live trading sessions from Monday to Friday, which also all get recorded and stay on the DeFi app. And you will also get crypto airdrops. You've been wondering how people can actually tell whether to buy or sell certain cryptocurrencies, because these people are also connected with communities that actually help them get to know about these coins and know when to buy and sell and utilize these airdrops to their best advantage. Our third direction is Plutos, and is my favorite one, which is advanced and indices trading. You also get live trading sessions with Nigel. You get multiple trade ideas during the week, and Plutos is constantly making between 1,000 to 2,000 pips every single week, because this market, it provides you with a large numbers of volatility, and this is exactly what you want in trading. Infinity is a private circle, does not own any of these services that I've just mentioned to you guys. We leverage these services from economy, and we give you full on free support on how to best utilize these tools and get your results within your first 2 weeks. This opportunity, it really works like a gym opportunity. Imagine if a friend is recommending you a gym, you guys start going together, he wants to guide you through the gym and show you the results that he has had so you can start gaining muscles and get fit. With this opportunity, is the exactly same thing. EA provides you all of the trading services so you can learn about financial literacy, how to make money work for you, and how to turn your phone into an ATM machine. Now, the most frequently asked question, how much is it? To get access to all of these services, there is a monthly costly subscription. To get all of the services that I've just mentioned, there's the Gold Pro, which is $189 every single month. Then we have all of the services without the AI, which is $165 every single month. Then you would have to pay for the AI $50 extra. Then we have our Elite and DeFi services. Elite, you get access to Forex trading and stocks trading. And then on DeFi, you get access to cryptocurrencies trading, which is $99 every single month. And for any of the add-ons, if you choose to go for the Elite on the DeFi, Plutos is an extra $50. The AI is an extra $50 as well, plus Echo, but is already included on the Gold Pro and Gold packages. So now, if you do the calculations, go grab your calculator, you'll realize that the most value for money out of all of these packages is Gold Pro. And that is why most of our customers go towards that direction of Gold Pro. All packages work like any gym membership. For you to firstly get access to the EA services, you need to pay a startup cost. For the Gold Pro startup is $625. Gold startup is $500. For the Elite and DeFi startup is $149. After paying the startup cost, all you need to do is just pay the monthly costs to keep getting access to those services, those lessons, and those signals every single month. It's like you keep getting access to the machines from the gym every single month, so you can keep getting fit and start getting your results. We as Infinity, we have been using these services for the past 2 years, so really and truly it wouldn't really make sense for me to be here doing this video and providing this amazing opportunity for you if it didn't work. And that's why all customers and all members within Infinity pay their monthly subscription, because it makes sense and it makes money. So probably your question now is, how do I get started and what is the next step? Within Infinity, you get free guidance and coaching how to use these products properly. You get a free step-by-step launch system to show you everything from beginners to intermediate and advanced, how to best use the Elite, DeFi, and Plutos and AI services. That's why we created a whole gold system to show you how each product works. That will really allow you to get a result within your first 2 weeks. And you also get access to the Infinity group chats, which are the community group chats where you can share your results, share your notes, share your trades, share your analysis, and share your journey within trading. To finish it off, I want to mention to you guys about the incentive that EA has provided to Infinity. We love to call this the Infinity Free Trading Scholarship. This is where you as a customer, you participate in the 3 for free. 3 for free happens after your 4 steps of success within your first few weeks as an Infinity member. You'll get a result from the EA services, and you'll get belief, and you'll take action, then you build momentum. By referring 3 individuals to the ECA platform after you get your results and you're satisfied with everything, having your 3 referrals, that means that EA has now provided you all of those services free of charge of monthly subscription. You and the individuals that you refer keep 100% of the profits individually. What I really want to touch upon as well is that this business will pay you seriously if you take it seriously. This business will pay you like a side hustle if you treat it like a side hustle. If you treat it like a business, it will pay you like a business. If you treat it like you pay the pound for it, it will pay you a pound. If you treat it like you spend millions of dollars in this business, then you'll pay you millions of dollars. This is why it's so important for anything to know your why. And what are your goals within the next 90 days, within the next few years with this business and with this opportunity. This is why Infinity also provides you with a 30-day trading game plan for you to follow through with your trading compound trading plan, with your risk management plan as well. You can learn how to become a profitable trader in the long run, reduce the risks and avoid mistakes as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully by now you understand a little bit more about what is Income One, how can you make money with trading, which direction you're gonna go for, and finally what package do you want to start your journey in as a new Infinity member. All you have to do is just DM me the word ready with the number of the package that you want to get started with, and I'll make sure that I'll send you all the information with the next step. Bye.